Here I have a one-day cuckoo clock. It says West Germany on it. The unique thing about this is the facing, the topper, the pendulum. It's all plastic. The movement itself says Cuckoo Clock Manufacturing Company. So I'm going to take this thing apart. It's got some damaged bellows. I got to do some bellow repair to it and clean the movement, clean the case up, and put it back together. But like I said, it's all plastic. I guess that was the way to do things at the time. And so at least the case itself is wood, but all the facing is plastic. So if something is broken, you can't really repair it now, can you? But anyway, I'm going to take this thing apart and get it running, and we'll go from there. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.